Welcome back, everybody. Mike McConville, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for StringTechWorkstations. We're just giving you the wrap up on these two cherry burst Gibsons. This is the new standard with the chambered body. So that one weighs in at 5.3 pounds. Now Steve's is the old style, and like the old Les Pauls, it's pretty chunkin'. It's like 8.4 pounds. Big difference in weight. Big difference in sound between the two. So I have the amp set at the same settings, did not touch the amp. This is strictly the guitar and the pickups, and you can hear the difference between the two. This is Steve's Les Paul Classic. This has got the Duncan 57s in it, so here, have a listen. So this one, we have a Corian nut, just a regular nut, not a compensated nut. Jerry was saying that basically doesn't play chords on the thing, so as long as you're doing single line blues licks, you're fine, right? There is clearance at the back of the bridge. I did end up wrapping the bridge posts in Teflon tape and then lined up the saddles for intonation. This one is just 10 to 46 strings at concert pitch. It's got the 57 Duncans that you just heard a minute ago. Frets, all those dead notes and splatting frets at the top end. That was all leveled, recrowned and polished, and the thing plays great. Steve's guitar is the 8.4 pound, big difference in weight between that and Jerry's guitar. So the original Zebra pickups were taken out and replaced with 36th anniversary Duncan PAFs. This one does have a wraparound tailpiece. Once again, like I've mentioned in all those other videos on Les Pauls, it really depends on the neck to body angle and the neck set on the tenon and mortise. On this one, it made more sense to go with a wraparound bridge. Otherwise, these posts would have to be raised up really high for those strings to clear the back of the bridge casting. Well, yeah, that wraps it up. These two are done, and of course this has a full compensated nut. You play any chord anywhere on this guitar. All the chords in the world, perfectly in tune. Yeah, stay tuned. We got some more incoming wounded Les Paul headstocks, a couple of neck surgeries coming up, a Gibson Explorer, and a Gibson Reverse Firebird on the way. And last thing, Jerry's guitar has the Grover locking tuners, and on Steve's guitar we got the Clouson Deluxe tuners. And that wraps up the session on these two cherry bursts.